Hello, my name is Chanchla Kumari. My college course project is implementation of vending machine through very low HDL. Introduction of vending machine is initially the product needs to the selected followed by the insertion of coins. The count is incremented as the coins are inserted. If a cancel signal is given, the machine returns inserted money and decrements counts. Otherwise, the machine checks the inserted money with the price of selected products. These devices are implemented in numerics techniques by using microcontroller and FPGA board. Thank you.